In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable, efficient, and portable cooking solution is a game-changer. This Ovente Countertop infrared single burner, a 1000-watt electric hot plate with a 7-inch ceramic glass cooktop, promises to deliver just that. This detailed review will explore its features, performance, and why it could be the perfect addition to your kitchen, dorm, or RV. Upon unboxing the Ovente infrared single burner, you're greeted with a sleek and modern design. The black finish and crystallite ceramic glass top give it a stylish look that fits well with any kitchen decor. Its compact size and lightweight nature, weighing just 2.4 pounds, make it incredibly portable and easy to store. Whether you need an extra burner for a party or a portable stove for a camping trip, this hot plate is designed to meet those needs. Key features and specifications. Powered by 1000 watts, the Ovente infrared burner heats up quickly and evenly. This infrared technology is an advanced system for smooth top electric ranges, ensuring that your food is cooked consistently without hot spots. Whether you're frying, boiling, or simply keeping food warm, this burner provides reliable and efficient heat. One of the standout features of the Ovente infrared burner is its compatibility with all types of cookware. Unlike induction cooktops, which require specific magnetic cookware, this burner works with virtually any flat-bottomed pot or pan. For best results, use cookware that matches the burner's 7-inch diameter. Cooking different types of food requires different temperatures, and the Ovente burner makes this easy with its adjustable temperature control knob. The knob allows you to select the perfect heat level for your dish, and the built-in thermostat ensures that the burner maintains a consistent temperature. An indicator light turns red when the burner is heating up and automatically shuts off when it reaches the desired temperature, or in case of overheating, adding an extra layer of safety. The Ovente burner's stainless steel housing and sleek crystallite ceramic glass top not only look great but also enhance its durability. Its slim and light design makes it perfect for small spaces like studios, apartments, kitchenettes, and RVs. The non-slip rubber feet ensure stability on any flat surface, making it safe to use even in confined spaces. Cleaning up after cooking is often a chore, but the Ovente burner makes it hassle-free. The smooth crystallite glass and stainless steel housing can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth, keeping your burner looking new and functioning well with minimal effort. Ovente stands behind its product with a 1-year warranty against defects in material and workmanship. This assurance, combined with their US-based customer service, ensures that you can buy with confidence and receive support when needed. Using the Ovente Countertop infrared single burner is straightforward and satisfying. The burner heats up quickly, thanks to its 1000 watts power, making it ideal for a variety of cooking tasks. Boiling water for tea or pasta takes only a few minutes, and frying eggs or making a stir-fry is equally efficient. The even heat distribution ensures that food is cooked consistently, avoiding the frustration of hot spots that can ruin a meal. The adjustable temperature control is precise and responsive. Whether you need a gentle simmer for delicate sauces or a rolling boil for soups, the burner adjusts easily to your needs. The infrared technology also keeps the heat consistent, so you don't have to keep adjusting the temperature while cooking. The Ovente infrared burner's versatility makes it suitable for various settings. Home use, an excellent addition to any kitchen, providing an extra burner for large meals or busy times. Dorm rooms, perfect for college students who need a compact and reliable cooking solution. RV caravan, its portability and efficient heating make it ideal for on-the-road cooking. Camping, great for outdoor cooking, providing a reliable heat source in any environment. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and lightweight, easy to store and transport. Efficient heating, infrared technology ensures quick and even heating. Versatile, compatible with all types of cookware. Easy to clean, smooth surfaces that wipe clean easily. Safe, features like the indicator light and non-slip feet enhance safety. Stylish design, looks great in any kitchen setting. Cons. Single burner. This may not be sufficient for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Limited power. 1000 watts is powerful for most tasks, but may be slower for very large pots. Conclusion: why choose the Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner? The Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner is an excellent choice for anyone in need of a portable, efficient, and versatile cooking solution. Its sleek design, efficient heating, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen, dorm room, or RV. The compatibility with all cookware types and the easy-to-clean surfaces add to its practicality and convenience. Whether you're cooking at home, in a dorm, or on the road, the Ovente burner provides a reliable and stylish way to prepare your meals. Its combination of power, portability, and safety features make it a standout choice in the realm of portable cooking appliances. Don't miss out on the convenience and efficiency of the Ovente Countertop Infrared Single Burner. Click the link in the description below to view the full product specifications and make your purchase today. Enjoy the freedom of cooking anywhere with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.